actually my association with Dr. Jamali. He gave me every assurance that things were going to be good, and when there was anything that negative that came up, he answered it immediately and explained in detail what was going to happen and why it was doing that. The other thing was scars. Before I came over here today, I was wearing shorts. I always wear shorts. I hate it when I see people that have all these scars and they just, didn't like that. Fortunately, the scarring is so minimal on mine that most people won't even notice that I have a scar. So I wear shorts a lot. I would consider him and easily say he's a friend. I know that he made some sacrifices to do as much as he did for me, and I appreciate that very much. And I think if I would have been approaching things in a fearful attitude, it couldn't have been as good. But it's nice to come in and see him smile, and the fact that I'm doing well, I attribute to Dr. Jamali, the way he performed the surgery. I see other people who didn't do as well, and especially in the physical therapy thing. After going to physical therapy and seeing other people who were coming in, they were going, "How long?" I said, it's been about a month, and I've had this. And you're doing physical therapy? Yeah. You don't have any scars? I go, yeah, I do have scars, but it was great. And physical therapy was like, the therapist were like, well, you're already doing it, so just everything worked out great. Everything that Dr. Jamali did was professional to the max, but friendly even beyond that. He just took care of all my fears, and sometimes I thought, well, maybe he just wanted me to feel good. But when things did heal up, things did get better, and I was back to where I wanted to be, probably as good as before the surgery. Before the accident, just great. There's nothing, no limitations except what my wife gives me.